I'm afraid, so afraid, darling, I'm afraid.
Every night I pass your house a dozen times or more, wishing that I had the nerve to walk up to your door. But every night I run away just like the time before. I'm afraid to say I love you. I sit by my telephone, I have no place to go. Many times I've dialed your number 43620, but then I always hang up when I hear you say hello. I'm afraid to say I love you. I'm yearning to tell you, but afraid to try, afraid to hear what you might reply. So I never find the words I long to say to you. Something happens to my voice when you come into view. I've started many times, but I can never follow through. I'm afraid to say I love you, but I